rain has devastated our carport, and there's a little emergency here. So I'm just cleaning my carport for the first time because I have never in my life been living in this big house, and this was one of my dreams, and taking care of a big house is like taking care of a child, 10-year-old child, 11-year-old child. But the thing that I want to talk about today is the inner critic. And while I was cleaning this carport, because I have a strong inner critic, and that inner critic, critiques everything. Very nitpicker, very Virgo energy, astrologically speaking. So in psychology, there's a term called exaltation. And during working with consciousness of inner critic, I want to share that, those who struggle with a strong inner critic, exaltation is an amazing thing for them. And exaltation means that, you turn a shadow side of an inner critic to a side which rather is harmful to you or creating a dysfunctional pattern. You turn it into a functional pattern. You just shift the very perspective of the inner critic, the one who is being critiqued and why is being critiqued. So this is what exaltation is all about in a nutshell. So for example, I want to give an example of how I exalted my inner critic. So for example, I'm a very nitpicker, and when you are nitpicking things, then this nitpicker has an important quality of going into details, going into minute details and analyzing things very, like in Urdu we say, baal ki khal nikalna, means that you pick up everything, So how do you turn this into a inner critic which is helpful for people? Then, if you are nitpicking or analyzing things so minutely, are you devastating things or are you sort of enhancing things? Is this a constructive or is a deconstructive approach to your inner critic? So what if I'm a shadow worker, then I can nitpick people's shadow and call out their shadow sides. So the same nitpicker, same inner critic can be of benefit to people rather than a detrimental thing to people. So I just want to tell you, work with this, that whatever shadow side you have, you just see and understand, how can I exalt this side of mine? How can it be a benefit rather than a detriment to others? So now I don't have to change my inner critic. The inner critic has a new role now, altogether new role for helping people. So the entire meaning of inner critic has changed for me. Okay.